Hello friends, I am Dr. Girish Balera, Chief Orthopedic Surgeon and Sports Medicine Specialist at Wockhardt Hospital, Mira Road. Today we will be talking about the sports injuries around the knee joint. So knee joint is the largest joint of our body, formed between the thigh bone and the leg bone and kneecap in front. This joint is supported by four major ligaments, the ACL, PCL, MCL and NCL, of which ACL is the most important ligament of this joint because it forms the pivot of the joint. All the movements of this particular joint are surrounded through this central axis called ACL. So any injury which can involve like a twisting injury, preferably when your lower part of the body moves in one direction and the upper part of the body moves in other direction, can create stresses onto ACL, causing it to have partial injury, a complete tear or an avulsion from the attachments to either the leg bone or the thigh bone. All these particular instances can give you instability in your joint, feeling of give way, difficulty to walk on uneven surfaces or staircase climbing. Such injuries, when prolonged over a longer time, can create other injuries like strain on the other ligaments, meniscus injuries. Basically, there is a cushion between the joints which can cause these injuries and over long time can cause arthritis of the joint. These particular things need to be evaluated and addressed in the early form. Can be treated non-operatively or conservatively. However, if the instability component is high and it is disturbing the activities of daily routine or the required skillful activities, they need to be given a keyhole procedures which will allow you to have a new ACL and give you stability back to your joint. In case of any such injuries to your knee, please refer to a sports specialist near you.